Ciao ragazzi! Today we have some sausage, cherry tomato and arugula for today's recipe, Paccheri Alla Finocchiona. Let's go! Ingredients for today: Paccheri pasta, tomato sauce, cherry tomato, sausage, Italian sausage with fennel inside, arugula, pecorino romano, crosta nera, garlic and olive oil to start, and black pepper to finish. So we start with some garlic, boom. Some extra virgin olive oil. So we're gonna cut the sausage. There we go. This is our sausage. We're gonna cut this sausage. This pasta is called finocchiona. We sell it at the restaurant. It's one of our best recipes. I love it. There we go. All right, so very simple. We're gonna cook this one. All right, and we're gonna let it rest there, cook for a few minutes, okay? You're also gonna need, so of course you're gonna drink a little bit of wine while you're cooking. We all do in Italy. So, but you need a little bit of wine, white wine, inside our sauce. So the sausage is gonna cook completely inside. A little bit of chili flakes. The kick, a little spicy, not too much, just a little bit. Our next ingredients will be cherry tomatoes. Nice cherry tomato from Florida. Look at this, how beautiful they are. You can play with this, you can cut them, you can do whatever you want. Boom. And I will put just 6 cherry tomato per portion, okay? We're gonna cook this sauce with the cherry tomato until the cherry tomato start releasing all the juice and they start cooking. Release all that sauce there inside the water. Paccheri alla Finocchiona. Remember guys, very important when you cook pasta, the sauce. Things are gonna become very oily. It's gonna kind of like look like it's not really a sauce. So there's a little trick for that. A little bit of water. This is the water you cook from the pasta, okay? So you're gonna put a little bit of that. And the water with the oil is gonna emulsify and create a cream, okay? And make it creamy. Touch of salt, touch of black pepper. We're gonna put a little bit of tomato sauce. If you don't have tomato sauce at home, if you haven't made it, you can buy already pre-made. So but you just put a couple of spoons. There you go, 2 or 3 spoons. You keep cooking it. Next ingredient is gonna be the arugula. We're gonna put of this bowl that we're gonna use for the pasta, we're gonna use only half of it. Okay, so we're gonna put this here and let the arugula blend in with the sauce. Pecorino romano. We shave pecorino inside the sauce, and that will make it even creamier. And what it does, it gives that creaminess to the sauce. The people love it, but also it's very strong. With the pecorino, do you see what happened there? All right, look at that, very nice. Salt in the water. Ocean. There we go. We're gonna eat, mangiamo, and we're gonna add our paccheri inside. Voila, look at that, so beautiful. There we go. A little bit of the cooking water. The pasta is still cooking also. You leave the pasta al dente so it can keep cooking inside the pot. Bang, bang, bang. Pasta is ready, the sauce is ready. Pecorino romano. Nice black pepper on top. Paccheri alla Finocchiona. Salsiccia, paccheri, arugula, fantastic. And now I'm gonna eat you, me te magno. Yeah. Nah, I love pasta. I don't know. I don't know about you guys. Pizza, pasta, I can live with it. Amazing, wonderful. Buon appetito ragazzi.